Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox this toilet seat waterproof cover pad that I recently ordered online. I choose the color blue because it matches my bathroom aesthetic, but it comes in other colors too, so you can pick what works best for you. You can grab this on Shopee or Lazada. I'll leave the links below if you are interested. Look at how slick and neat it looks. The material is made of EVA, that's ethylene vinyl acetate, which makes it super soft, lightweight, and waterproof. It's also really easy to clean and super hygienic. And check this out, there's a strong adhesive tape at the bottom, so you can easily stick it to your toilet seat without any hassle. Now let's put this on. It's super easy to install. Just peel off the protective film from the adhesive tape, align it with your toilet seat, and press it down firmly. See how it's snug and secure it fits. The EVA material adds a nice cushiony feel, so it's extra comfortable when you sit. Okay, so here's why I think this is such a great product. Recently, one of the toilet seats in our comfort room got cracked, and replacing the wool seat can be a bit costly. But with this waterproof cover pad, it's a quick and affordable solution. It protects your seat from cracks, stains, and even water damage. Plus, the EVA material makes it so comfortable to sit on, it's like giving your toilet seat a mini upgrade. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a simple way to protect your toilet seat or just want to add a little extra comfort. Don't forget, you can find this on Shopee or Lazada. Links are in the video description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.